I'm having a problem coming up with the DEFT Clear Lacquer. So the wife went on Amazon, and the best thing we could come up with was Prolux. It's supposed to be the same formula as DEF. I got six
It,
cans of it. We're gonna give it a try. See
it
what it
is
comes
they
out
it
with.
is they renamed it, Mark. The Prolux is the new name.
Okay, so
I,
it
I have
is the
Same
same
thing with
thing.
Ace up here as well. Ace
I,
told me
I
this.
have I have read that it's not as good as DEFT. I haven't tried it yet, but I've read that it's not as good as DEFT.
Okay. Well, we'll give it a try because it's got to beat that dang Watco stuff that I can't stand that stuff.
Right?
It took, like I say, two coats, and on the second coat, for some reason, it bubbled up towards the top here. I don't know if it was getting towards the end of the can or what, but it just did not make me a happy camper. So,
Have
Sand it
you
off.
ever tried just Krylon spray? Because
Krylon
because
lacquer? No, I have not.
it's not
I'll get a
lacquer,
can of that
it's
and give that a try.
acrylic. It's acrylic. And then it's acrylic, and then all you've got to do, just use you've got clear uh, gloss, and they've got clear, flat.
Satin.
I use the clear gloss, and then guess what? You can buff it.
Okay.
It's just acrylic.
Well, I'll give that a try, Mark. I appreciate the
It's
tip.
$3.27 at Walmart or
Okay.